Hey Musos, you've just been listening to a drum cover by my good friend Vin. It's of Ragnarok by Periphery. Now, I went over to his place and we recorded that a little while ago, and we used the iSk DSM-7A drum mic set. It's a 7 mic set, so it's got bass drum, snare, 3 toms and 2 overheads. Now, what we also did was recorded a mic test. And there's no iSk DSM-7A mic test up on YouTube, so I'm going to rectify that. So this is a completely raw test, or almost completely raw. All I've done is panned and adjusted the levels so that it all sounds normal. Okay, so this is the raw sound that you'll get out of the drum mics when you plug them into your audio interface and through your DAW. Alright, let's go.